Life can be tough. Sometimes it feels like you're facing one challenge after another. You lose a job, a relationship ends, or maybe you're dealing with health problems. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and lose your motivation. Trust me, we've all been there. Remember that rainy day when your car broke down, you were late for work and you forgot your umbrella? Yeah, those days happen, but guess what? The sun eventually came out, right? It's important to remember that tough times don't last forever. Just like that rainy day, things will eventually get better. Even when it's tough, try to remember that you're not alone. Everyone goes through hard times, and it's okay to not be okay. The key is to find ways to stay motivated and keep moving forward, even when you don't feel like it. So how do you stay motivated when you're feeling down? It starts with finding your spark. What is it that makes you excited about life? What are you passionate about? It could be anything. Spending time with loved ones, pursuing a hobby, or working towards a goal. Once you've identified your spark, make time for it every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Think of it like charging your battery. When you do things you enjoy, you're giving yourself the energy to keep going. Remember that feeling of accomplishment when you finish a puzzle or bake a delicious cake? Those little wins fuel your motivation. When you're facing a challenge, it's easy to get overwhelmed by the big picture. Instead of focusing on the entire mountain, break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. Want to run a marathon but can barely make it around the block? Start with a 10-minute walk and gradually increase your distance each day. Each step you take, no matter how small, is a victory. Celebrate those wins. Did you manage to wake up early and go for a walk? That's amazing. Did you resist the urge to eat an entire pizza by yourself? You rock star. Acknowledging your progress, no matter how insignificant it may seem, reinforces your motivation and keeps you going. Section 4. Lean on me, the power of connection. One of the most important things you can do when you're going through tough times is to reach out for support. Talk to a friend, family member, therapist, or anyone you trust. Sharing your feelings with someone who cares can make a world of difference. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. There are people who love you and want to help. Even just having someone to listen to you can make you feel less alone and more capable of facing your challenges. And hey, maybe they've been through something similar and can offer some helpful advice or a fresh perspective. Section 5. The light at the end of the tunnel, hope's constant glow. It's easy to lose sight of hope when you're in the middle of a difficult situation, but hope is essential for staying motivated. Hope is what keeps us going when things get tough. It's the belief that things will eventually get better, even if we don't know how or when. One way to cultivate hope is to focus on the good things in your life. What are you grateful for? What are some things that make you happy? It could be something as simple as a warm cup of coffee in the morning or a phone call with a loved one. Taking the time to appreciate the good things can help shift your perspective and remind you that there's still beauty and joy to be found, even in the midst of challenges. Section 6. Keep on keeping on, your future self will thank you. Staying motivated during tough times isn't easy. It takes effort, resilience, and a whole lot of self-compassion. But trust me, it's worth it. When you come out on the other side of a challenge, you'll be stronger, wiser, and more resilient than ever before. So keep your head up, keep moving forward, and remember that you've got this. Your future self will thank you for it. And hey, maybe one day you'll look back on this time and be proud of yourself for how far you've come. You've got this.